For today's nail art, we are going to do an abstract design. I'm starting off with my nails painted white, and I'm going to add a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. Using the color Avocado from Mundo, I'm going to stamp my background design using Born Pretty Nail Stamping Plate Artist L014. Over top of that, I'm going to stamp another design in black using that same stamping plate. I wanted to add a little more black to the side of my nail, so I'm going to pick up these polka dots and stamp that right in the corner. Now remove the liquid latex and finish with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.